My teaching and research interests that will be in this evening's lecture are supermarket prices, and I'm going to be looking at certain characteristics that we can see using a special type of data called scanner data that may be of interest to people in the audience. As an academic researcher, they have a particular interest and purpose for me, but they're also of general interest to shoppers. One of the uses of scanner data has been looking at how prices transmit through the food chain, not only between retailers but also between retailers and their suppliers. And this has been a topic of sort of public policy sort of interest, because retailers are often accused of abusing their market power with respect to suppliers. And so we're able to use this data to say something about that relationship. Well, one of the major characteristics that this data uncovers is just how different prices are for identical products. In economics, the price of a homogeneous good, an identical good, should be very similar at all points where it's sold. It's what we call the law of one price. There aren't any laws in economics like there are in physics, but it is as close to gravity as we'll get in economics. But we observe in scanner data that the law of one price simply doesn't hold at the barcode level. When we're talking about products that you and I buy, the law of one price doesn't hold. And so when we're buying food items in our supermarket, we possibly might want to just reflect for a moment that it's probably selling for another price somewhere else. That price may well be cheaper.